So basically back on this shed over here, what we need to do is sort out the spoiler, because when I put it on, I didn't put a seal on. So when you open it, yeah, come on, there's no water.
Yeah, so we took it out yesterday.
You took it out. But basically it leaks down and it's got a swimming pool. So only like poverty spec cars don't come with the inbuilt water feature. So if you don't have this, you're missing out. But I don't want it anymore. So we're gonna take this out. This just pulls out. There you go, you can see it still had water in the thing. It basically collects in here and then just runs down. Yeah, just go get a bottle of water.
Bottle of water.
And these ones just pull out. They all literally just pull out. Same with that one, that would just pull out. That'll do. You can see it leaking straight through. But you get an idea, that's all coming through this area here. So what we're going to do is quickly take these off and then refit the spoiler. I put the boot down, put it down. So basically, turn it upside down. What's happening? There's no seal. Hold it. Basically, there's water going in through all of these, you can see. So all I need to do is put like O-rings around here to stop water going in, and that is basically all it needs. So we're going to quickly do that.
Really? Look how hideous it looks without a spoiler.
Yeah, it looks so disgusting without a spoiler. Look how ugly it looks, innit? It looks like just a crap car without. It looks naked. What I'm going to try to do is clean out all of the. So basically where I'm going to put the sealant. Hopefully this would then stop it from leaking. And then just basically repeat that everywhere. Look at all of the mould. That's it, it's done.
Bruv, is that what you call clean?
Squeaky clean, mate. So basically, we'll get rid of the water feature after. But first we'll seal up the top and then hopefully put the old spoiler back on straight after.
He thinks he knows what he's doing.
That's the pellet.
Stuck a twig in there thinking
Yeah,
it will
but
work.
it did
One
work.
idiot.
It did work. Look, when you put it in this way.
We're watching.
We're watching. You know what? Look, there you go. There you go. The slimy thing. You know, like Harry Potter, the bogey.
Troll bogies.
He's a stick. Wash.
You know about that. You're doing it the wrong way.
What do you mean?
Yeah, you meant to hold it like that and do it.
I don't even know if this is how much we need. It might be too much.
You think?
But this is like the factor of safety, just to make sure it gets done.
Yeah, factor of safety, do it right, mate. PPE?
PPE. So you do that, put
Yeah,
a little bit of sloppy mess.
you're...
No, this is professional. You won't get better than this anyway.
Yeah, watch me do that on your car next time.
No, you're not allowed to touch my car. Yeah, you do this. Do that. Look at that. Perfection. I should do this as a business. Does anyone want any sealing done? You do that.
Yeah, we looked at
do
that. Is that how you sealed it up?
Yeah, but you didn't look properly. Look at that. Look at that. I'm a professional at this. Wow. Fantastic. You do that. No more sloppy mess.
Well, if that's the case, just do a whole bead all the way around.
No.
Yeah.
You do this. Beep 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 beep.
This one didn't have a screw.
It doesn't matter.
Actually, this one did, that one didn't.
They all need a seal, whether they have a screw or not.
What about that part there? Keep it red. Put it in. No. The middle part.
What middle part?
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's closed, don't worry. It's a closed circuit, mate.
Mate, I think too much. That's enough. Bro, that's enough. You're just gonna have a... Watch it just ruin your paintwork.
It won't. It's waterproof.
What about this ruin your paintwork? Don't care about the water, huh? Mate,
Oh, very
imagine if you
nice.
used black silicone.
Yeah,
You
black
would've
would look cool.
bodged it. No, it don't.
Yeah. You do that. Do that. Like that.
Who did this one? You or did it come like this one?
I done that.
the twig stuck in it.
Don't worry.
Right, pick up the spoiler and put it on there. Wait. Calm down.
You gotta open the boot slightly.
You think?
Hold it slightly out.
Go on then.
This is heavy.
He's coming over. Oh, that's a slop. Now hold it roughly in place. Hold that. I'll start bolting.
So basically, I've packed it in, and hopefully that should stop the water from getting in.
See this one? Just about.
See that? And there's one here as well. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to seal this in
What
as well.
time is it?
I probably shouldn't do this, but...
Are you going to do?
What?
Alright.
Where?
To use them off.
Yeah?
Which one?
This is only Medina one.
Since when do you go there?
What? With Ijtima we have to go.
Why don't you go there for Tarawih?
Yeah, what? We'll go to my masjid for Tarawih.
Tarawih.
So that's that done.
Tarawih.
Oh, you're making a mess.
That's what happens whenever you do anything, it makes a mess.
No. Oh, no. There you go. Happy days. Now we just gotta pretend this is how it came if anyone asks. It wasn't me. There you go. Oh, this is a messy job. I don't like this. Right, so that's this side done. I need to get rid of this sealant here as well. What are you doing?
Whatever.
If you make a sloppy mess,
Shut up.
look, this is how I've done mine. Perfectly fine, clean, nice and tidy. Let's see when he.
Wait, I haven't done yet. Go away. Bye bye. Pass a little bit.
Yeah, it's covered in. Let me clean my hands.
Yeah, I wonder why.
Yeah, you can even wash your hands. See, this is ideal. Not every car has this.
Let me go put in all your other cars too.
No, thank you. Yeah, look, this is a dirty, sloppy mess. Look at that.
Bro, look how uneven this is.
Mine's is clean uniform. This is a sloppy mess. Well, the camera's not even picking up how bad it is. Look, you've still got a hole there. But...
Yeah, no, it's because I'm not using. You just went in with the gun and did it. I didn't.
No, I done it professionally. I done it professionally, mate. Now, make sure there's no overspray. Hey, look, you've got.
You can see with the silicone through it.
Yeah, I don't care.
No, why do you do that?
I never packed that in. That's just the over thing. That's what I'm saying. Just tidy that up.
You polish it, huh?
No, I don't polish my cars. This is what that Jake's done. You can't see it, but there's 1,000,001 swirl marks.
Bro, that wasn't me. That
was this Jake's over here, basically. Yeah.
We polished it and it
We'll
came
wait
out
for the
looking
sun.
good.
We'll wait for the sun, and there's 3 million swirl marks on this panel. So, alright, that's it. That's it for this video. We've resealed that, basically taken the spoiler off, sealed up all the holes. We just ended up using this cheap one because it was already open. From Screwfix. How much was this? £5. So I say cheap. It's still £5. It's not the 99p rubbish one. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Oh no, we can't end it yet. We got to put the trims back in. We got to put all this rubbish back in. Dela, come here. So basically, these just press back in. So there's going to be these side ones that go in first. I think this is probably the worst part about it. There you go. That's that in. Bring the other one. Is that? Make sure you're lining up those. Don't snap those. You donkey, hurry up, put that on now. There you go, now we can finally end the video. That's everything done. And then yeah, check out the other videos as well. Thank you for watching.